Play the 30-second video on your smartphone, turn it on, and you can start making money right immediately. For each video you watch, you can earn up to $4. For every 100 videos you watch each day, you can earn up to $400. That is very incredible. For those who have never made money online, fear not, this is quite straightforward. The good news is that it is completely free and available everywhere in the world. I'll go over how to sign up and which videos to watch to maximize your earnings. Additionally, I'll provide you access to some exclusive knowledge that will allow you to triple your present income. So make sure to watch this video all the way through while paying attention. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I want you to see this video. By watching this 4-minute video by itself, you can earn roughly $4. On this fresh website, you can watch a selection of other videos on your computer or smartphone. In order to avoid missing anything crucial, please pay close attention. First things first, I want you to go to gg2u.org, where you may sign up right away for free. You may start making money right now by just completing surveys, playing games, and even watching videos. We'll focus on how watching videos can help you make money in this video. Anyone can use it without any prior expertise because it is one of the most basic and straightforward strategies. The nicest aspect of this website is $1 you may earn just for signing up for a free account. Simply enter your login, password, email address, and first name. On the country selection, we will click the download pointing arrow. You can see that they are open to visitors from all over the world here. No matter where you are in the world, you may still make money online with this global opportunity. Simply click this to agree to the terms and conditions after entering all of your information, and then click the orange sign up button. You can get $1 for free by simply making a free account. Another reason I like this website so much is the variety of payment option. Each day, you have the option of getting paid by PayPal, receiving Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, or getting some other gift cards. You can still receive your money if you reside in one of the nations without a PayPal account by bank transfer, Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, or any other payment option. They offer a much higher rate, ranging from 65% to 85% than other websites, which only offer between 40% and 60%. You'll see "Welcome to GG2U" here after finishing the sign-up process on this website. They are a very profitable source for offer walls and survey routers, where you may watch movies and earn rewards of up to 65% or even 85%. As you can see, we credit you $1 for every 100 coins. You'll be compensated in coins on this website, and after every 100 coins, you can exchange them for real money. After reaching $7 or 700 coins, you can begin withdrawing your money. You can receive $1 for every 100 coins. To move on to the following page, merely scroll down below and click the Click to Continue link. By clicking this orange icon, you can get to this page. To get started earning, here are some activities that are really easy to do. It reads here, and once more, keep in mind that $1 is equal to 100 coins. You can complete a ton of offers on this website, and by doing so, you can establish many money streams. Again, the emphasis will be on viewing videos, so be sure to follow my direction in this video if you want to make money by only watching movies. Please scroll down to the bottom of this page to view this. Note, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. If you want to get extra money, make sure you finish these offers. Simply scroll down to the bottom of this page and click the "I'm done with this page" button if all you want to do is make money by watching movies. The next step will take you to your account. This is the dashboard for the GG2U website. They pay me $1 when I register a free account, and after my balance reaches $7, I may start making withdrawals. As I browse down below, you can see there are a ton of other businesses and offers available, such as OfferTuro, AdGem, Peanut Labs, and AdGate Media. These are all fairly well-known companies that offer you some exclusive deals you may use to start making money. As an illustration, taking part in rival surveys, installing apps, watching videos, etc. Just click on one of these businesses to start completing the offers and earning money. Let me provide you with another example of this. You can complete further offers to earn money online by visiting the company's official website after clicking the AdSense media symbol. You can download mobile apps, run free trials, and finish surveys to earn money. On only one website, there are a ton of possibilities available all at once. Simply select video from the menu to start making money while watching videos. As mentioned here, autoplay video. For every 200 video points that you can earn, you'll receive a silver token that will add $1 up to $3 to your account balance. Every video you view has the potential to pay you between $1 and $3. You may watch videos about food, some viral videos, and chillax videos while making money online on these different channels if you go down below where it says earn video points by just completing any one of these films. As you scroll down below, for instance, you can see that there are multiple videos here. Additionally, clicking load more offers will show you an infinite numbers of videos to view and earn money from repeatedly. You can go to this page, for instance, by selecting Hideout TV-Chillax and clicking the orange button. Hideout TV is a good place to start if you want to start making money online while viewing videos. The potential rewards for this 4 minutes, 21 seconds long film vary from $1 to $3. I'll give you an added tip so you can boost your internet revenue. When you click on the gear options, I want you to choose the lowest option, which is 240p, because it's preferable to click on a range of films and channels when watching on a computer or phone. I'm requesting that you select the lowest setting. If you want to double your income by 3 or even 5, keep them all running in the background at once. You should choose the lowest option because they all utilize a lot of data and our internet speed at once. I want you to start by giving you the most crucial piece of advice possible. I'll give you my next advice after that. Viral Videos channel, up next, is displayed in the section to the right. Choose one of the other films to view from this list, and you'll be able to get bonuses of up to $2 or $4 for each one. Make sure you start watching the videos right away and finish them. To gain the point and turn it into real money, you must view the complete film. I'll let you in on the final bonus point. When you click on this arrow button, further videos that you can watch become available. When you click the arrow button next to any of these videos, another 7 videos will appear. On either your iPhone or Android phone, you can watch a total of 7 bonus videos to earn extra money online. Any device can be used to earn money with this possibility, which is free. Simply click next once you have finished watching the 7 extra videos. There are 9 additional videos accessible to watch, as you can see. This is a great way for you to keep viewing films over and over again while making a ton of money online. When you're done with one channel, you may easily move on to the next and further videos. After all, there's a limit to how many videos you can view and still make money. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.